All right, let's turn your Windows 10 PC into a personal Wi-Fi hotspot. It's super easy.
You've been there, right? One connection, but your phone and tablet need to get online.
Well, good news. Windows 10 has a built-in feature that solves this exact problem.
Basically, it turns your computer into a mini Wi-Fi router, broadcasting its own signal.
And get this, you can connect up to 8 different devices at the same time.
Okay, let's get it up and running. It only takes 6 simple steps. I'll show you.
First up, just pop open your Start menu and click that little gear icon for Settings.
Inside Settings, find the Network and Internet section. You can't miss that globe symbol.
Now over in the menu on the left, you're going to go ahead and click Mobile Hotspot.
And just like that, flick the main toggle switch to on. Boom, you're broadcasting.
You'll want to hit Edit here to customize the name and set a strong password.
Last step, just grab your phone, find the new network name, and pop in the password.
All right, before you go, here are a few quick tips to make the most of this.
Always use a strong password. And remember, this can use up your battery, so stay plugged in.
So yeah, your PC becomes your own personal internet hub. Pretty cool, right?
Now you can create a connection anywhere. So how are you going to use it? Give it a try.